my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something that I have been wanting to do for a while now. I was obsessed with the Love Island UK show that has just finished recently. And by the way, just excuse me if I sound a bit weird. I've got like a real bad ulcer on my tongue right now. I bit my tongue the other day and now it's just throbbing and it's really hard to talk, eat and drink. It's like, I feel like I'm being dramatic as with this, but it's just, sometimes I talk, I can feel it, so I sound a bit weird. But yeah, anyway, so if in case I sound weird, it's because I've got a sore tongue on just the side. Anyways, other than that, so I've been watching Love Island UK. It's finished now, I'm real gutted, but I'm excited for the next season. Well, there's gonna be 2 seasons next year, so I'm real excited. One of my favorite contestants on the show was Molly-mae, and I don't know why she got a lot of hate, to be honest, because I don't know, she just was so relatable, I guess. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but I've been obsessed with her ever since she arrived on the show. Like, the only thing that I didn't like was the whole, like, her and Tom in the beginning when they were, like, fighting when Maura came in. Other than that, like, she's pretty normal, and I think they're a good couple, so yeah. Kind of remind me of me, like, you know, my relationship with my boyfriend at the moment. So yeah, I don't know, like, I feel like she's quite mature and she's relatable for her age, and she's younger than me as well. And when I found her YouTube video, like YouTube channel, sorry, I was obsessed. So while we're waiting for Molly-mae to return back to YouTube, because apparently she's already pre-filmed or filmed some videos for YouTube, I thought I would dedicate this video today on my channel to attempt to do the inspired Molly-mae hair bun tutorial. It's something of mine that I watched while she was on, and I haven't actually tried to do it yet. So I thought I would show you guys without a mirror, just on my viewfinder, and yeah, let's just make a fool of ourselves. And basically, now I haven't seen anyone on YouTube or like Instagram, well, I haven't really looked at Instagram properly. I haven't really seen many people that have long hair, like, so my hair like reaches like just past under my boobs, so that's my natural long hair. I'm not wearing extensions or anything. This is my natural, like, it's not really my natural colour, but it's close to my natural colour. Like, I've gone dark recently. I used to be quite light, like a light fake blonde, like ashy blonde, and also brownie, but yeah, it's quite dark now. And my hair's like, it looks thin, but it's quite thick and dry in real life. So I thought, I don't know anyone who's had long, thick, dry hair. Let's try this tutorial, because she had extensions in her hair and she's got real dry hair long as well. So let's see how this goes. And yeah, I may break my camera while I try doing this, but let's hope this looks good. And because I've got dark hair, hopefully it's not as noticeable. And I've got my hair tie, or as she says, hair bun at the ready. So just for fun, I'm just doing this video because I'm obsessed with her. If this works out for me, I might try and do it more often, because I'm a lazy kind of person and I don't like doing my hair. You know, like, it only looks like this and straightened because I went out just recently and I just got home. So yeah, let's just have some fun, I guess. So I'm gonna play the tutorial on my phone just so I can watch it. This is not gonna lean, so I'm just, if I'm looking down, it's because I'm watching the tutorial.
I've not got a mirror, so I have no idea what that looks like, but that is my everyday hair bun.
Okay, so let's try. Oops.
I'm just trying to shake it around a little bit, and then I flip my head upside down like this.
Yeah.
So all your hair is facing downwards like this.
Yeah.
Ruffle it around a little bit, and then I just gather it at the top of my head.
Oh shoot.
Like so. So you've got like a little swishy pony.
Oh my god.
And I grab it with the other hand.
Wow, whoa, whoa, girl. Oh my god, my hair is disgusting. Oh my god, look at my ugly hairline. Okay, hang on, wait. I'm gonna try this again. I need like a brush, but it's cheating, isn't it? Is it considered cheating if you use a brush? But a brush? Sorry, I can't talk. Yeah, it is. Okay, so let me just try this again. It's gonna be really ugly. I can already feel it. If I actually did try to do this hair bun properly, what is that? If I try to do this hair bun properly, I might have to like use a brush, but I won't in this tutorial. Hang on. I look like a freak. Okay. So I've got an ugly, like, real bad hairline, but by extra baby hair. So let me just go back to the video. The hair back looks great, guys. Okay, hang on.
Place, and then I twist it around again, And I keep twisting until it's all kind of at the top of my
head. So back, girl.
Pony. And then I grab it with the other hand. I then just twist it whilst it's in place. And then I twist it around again.
Oh my god.
And I keep twisting until it's all kind of at the top of my head like that. Then I literally just take the hairband. Like a hairband that can go around twice quite nicely. And then I just secure it in place. I don't have a mirror, so I have no idea what that looks like, but normally I just kind of fiddle around with it and like maybe put a few grips in it. That's pretty much it. I've not got a mirror, so I have no idea what that looks like, but that is my everyday hair bun.
Where is my hair bun? Why does this not work for me? I've got long hair, it's dry, I thought it was thick, I couldn't even get close. What the? Oh my god, my hair is just disgusting. Let me try that again. Okay, that was my first attempt. I'm gonna try one more time, and if I can't do it, I'm so sorry guys. Let's try again. Okay, so just try.
One eternity later.
Okay, swishy pony. Oh my gosh, my hairline. I need to get that sorted. What hand does she say it was? Oh, I think this looks better. Is that better? Let me know. What is happening with my hair? Is it just because it's like been straightened today? Is it because I washed it? Oh my gosh. Why is my hair bumpy? Can someone explain to me? Do I need to use a brush? It's cheating though, but let's get Molly-mae's voice in this. Ready, guys?
And like maybe put a few grips in it. That's pretty much it. I've not got a mirror, so I have no idea what that looks like, but that is my everyday hair bun.
Okay, I might try one more time, and then I think that's it. Okay.
The next day.
Give it to me.
I've not got a mirror, so I have no idea what that looks like, but that is my everyday hair bun. I just kind of shake it around a little bit, and then I flip my head upside down like this. So all your hair is facing downwards like this. Ruffle it around a little bit, and then I just gather it at the top of my head.
Yep.
Like so. So you've got like a little swishy pony. And then I grab it with the other hand. I then just twist it whilst it's in place. And then I twist it around again. And I keep twisting until it's all kind of...
Why can't I twist it? Hang on. Guys, I'm having a mental breakdown. Hang on. Oh my gosh.
You suck!
And then I grab it with the other hand. I then just twist it whilst it's in place. And then I twist it around again. And I keep twisting until it's all kind of at the top of my head like that. Then I literally just take the hairband. Normally like a hairband that can go around twice quite nicely. And then I just secure it in place. I don't have a mirror, so I have no idea what that looks like.
Where's my hairband? Bun. Tie.
That's pretty much it. I've not got a mirror, so I have no idea what that looks like. But that is my everyday hair bun.
Oh my gosh, that's such a better... Guys, I look like I have like a ball, a tennis ball in my head. Why does it not look as great? Like, oh my god, this is sup. Like, come on. Can you get all the boys like this, eh? Would my boyfriend still love me like this? Probably not. But yeah, okay, so guys, that was my third, maybe like 10th attempt at doing that. But this is my molly-mae bun tutorial. I just can't believe that's my final attempt and this is what I get. Like, I'm doing something wrong up here. I think I just don't have that much hair that I thought I did. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I'm so sorry for the failed attempt, but you know what? It was fun. I hurt my head and I realized my hairline's disgusting and my hair is all bumpy, and I might try this with a brush or something next time because I definitely don't think my hair was up to the standard for this, but I don't know how she does it without a mirror. I know she usually does it with a mirror and obviously like with bobby pins and all that stuff, but you know what, this is it, guys. I'm sorry I'm not gonna be able to show my amazing hair bun in any other way. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this kind of video or you enjoyed it because I failed, please give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next Sunday as always. And yeah, I'm gonna go annoy my boyfriend with his hair bun and see if he likes it, or maybe just run away because he might reject me. So yeah, okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.